translocation of organic solutes in plants. The organic solutes prepared by the photosynthesis. The organic solutes distributed to total plant parts through the one special type of tissue, that is phloem tissue. So how the growing parts of the plant are provided with sugar to synthesize new cells. And a system of vascular tissue run through all higher plants. It evolved as a response to the increase in the size of plants, which caused an progressing separation of roots and leaves in space. The phloem is the tissue that translocates, assimilates from the mature leaves to growing or storage organs. See children, from this total table, from the total points, leaves are the food factories. The leaves prepared food material by the photosynthesis. That synthesized food materials, photosynthesis synthesized food material distributed to total plant parts through the phloem tissue. Through the phloem tissue, it distributed to young leaves, mature leaves, to all cells, including storage parts of plant. So this mechanism is called translocation of organic solutes. Translocation of organic solutes. See, translocation of organic solutes. The flow of water in plants is almost always from the root to leaves, but translocation of source can be in any direction depending on the source and sink location and strength. Means, see children, these are the photosynthetic factories. They prepared food materials. It distributed to the upward direction and downward direction also. The sinks means the storage tissues are utilizing tissues. The photosynthetic material moves to upward direction and downward direction also. But the water through the xylem only moves to upward direction. But organic solutes through the phloem moves to upward direction and downward direction in the translocation of organic solutes. So first identified how to helps the translocation of tissues. They are the phloem. How to identify the phloems means a technique for the analyzing phloem sap chemistry is the use of aphid stylets. A feeding aphid is anesthetized and its stylets severed. The phloem sap is under positive pressure and it is collected. It is collected means the aphid insects are only suck the juice from the sieve cells. See, these are the aphid insects. Aphid insects containing long stylets. These are the long stylets. The long stylets are injected into the plant tissue up to sieve cells. The sieve cells are present in the phloem. The phloem juice is sucked by the stylets of the aphids. When we collect the aphid digestive system, in the digestive system total organic solutes are present. By this experiment, Organic solutes are translocated by the sieve cells of the phloem tissue. So another experiment also here, it is a ringing experiment. The potted plant containing aerial shoot system and root system also. Aerial shoot system containing branches including leaves. The leaves prepared food material to synthesized carbohydrates, organic solutes. That organic solutes moves to upward direction and moves to downward direction with the phloem tissue. If we remove the phloem tissue around the xylem, finally after few days we observed the swollen structure present above the ringing cutting area. So this swollen structure is deposited. The swollen structure is made by depositing of organic solutes through the phloem tissue. By this ringing experiment, we can confirm the translocation of organic solutes done by the phloem tissue only. These are the ringing experiments. And there are two parts to translocations. The physiological process of loading source into the phloem at the source and unloading it at the sink. Control of pressure flow of the sap in the phloem driven by osmosis. So children, during the two parts of translocation means the loading of source by the phloem in the anatomy of leaf, and the source is unloading at the sink means utilizing areas. Now we can identify the phloem tissue. The phloem tissue structure will discuss it here now. The phloem tissues mainly shows complex structure. The main phloem tissues are composed by number of complex tissues. They are sieve tubes. Major cells are sieve tubes. And second one is Campanian cells. Third one is phloem parenchyma. And fourth one is phloem fibers. So at center region of phloem, long tube-like structures are present. That long tube-like structures are called sieve tubes. The sieve tubes filled with only cytoplasm. There is no nucleus. Only cytoplasm is present in the sieve tubes. The sieve tubes are connected with another sieve tubes. They are present one above the other. They look like a long ladder-like structure in the plant anatomy. Between the two sieve tubes, one horizontal plate-like structure called sieve plate. The sieve plate containing pores-like structures, they are called sieve pores. During the translocation of organic solutes through the phloem tissues, mainly through the sieve tubes, some amount of organic solutes are deposited on the sieve plate. They look like a pyramid-like structure called callos. So outside of these sieve tubes, Campanian cells are present. The Campanian cells are living cells. They are containing protoplast with cytoplasm. Protoplast means they are containing nucleus. So they are mainly helps in the translocation of organic solutes through the sieve tubes. At outside of these sieve tubes or outside of the Campanian cells, phloem parenchyma is present. The phloem parenchyma mainly helps in the storage of organic solutes. They are also helps in the translocation of organic solutes through the sieve tubes. The phloem parenchyma also living cells, they containing perfect nucleus with cytoplasm. Then outside of these phloem parenchyma, dead cells are present. They called phloem fibers. Diagram is not there. Phloem fibers gives mechanical support to the phloem. The phloem fibers are also called bast fibers. They gives additional mechanical support to the phloem. So by this phloem, the translocation is done in the plants to upward direction and to downward direction.